Hi everyone. Today let's make a baby food recipe which is a creamy sweet pongal which your baby will surely love it and to know how to prepare, let's get started. In a cup take 1.5 tablespoon of raw rice and 1.5 tablespoon of moong dal. Wash well and soak it with water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, here I am adding half cup of milk which gives a creamy taste to this recipe. Close the cooker and allow it to cook for 4 whistles because we are giving to baby, since if it is well cooked means it will be easy for them to eat. And side by side in a pan add 2.5 tablespoon of jaggery. Uh, this ratio will give mild sweetness to the recipe. If you want more or less, it's up to you. Add little water and make it to melt. There is no string consistency for the recipe, just the jaggery should melt. And yes, it's all the jaggeries are melted. And let's off the stove and we are going to strain it. The pressure is also released. Let's add the jaggery. Here I am going to mash this pongal because since we are giving to a baby, it will be good if we mash it well. And after that I am adding it to the milk and I am going to strain the jaggery. We are going to mix everything well. Here I am using a filter. And yes, you can see the creamy texture. The smell is also really good. And add 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. It enhances the flavor too. And I am adding a pinch of nutmeg powder. It is for digestion. I have already added, actually the video file was missed, just I am showing it. It is just a pinch. And that's all, our creamy sweet pongal is ready. You can feed your baby either warm or chill. And if you want to adjust the consistency, you can either add milk or water to it. And if you like this video, do hit like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Aarti. We'll meet you on in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.